for this month, the summary, US volatility is driven mainly by the geopolitical tension, no significant fundamental change. China valuation are catching up with the global peers, supported by improving investor sentiment and more foreign fund flow. Okay, this is something that I believe a lot. Right, Singapore market to me offer a safety, more defensive play, right, and also attractive yield if you look at REITs, right? Yeah, so that is the other one, right? And bonds is something that you want to invest in for defensive allocation. If you believe or you think that I don't want to have too much weightage in stocks, then you can increase the bond exposure. Okay, so key takeaway is stay invested. Market pullback is possible. It's very possible. All right, and it represents an opportunity to add. Okay, if you want to invest more, any pullback is a good entry point. All right, so this is my portfolio. So far I never sell anything. Okay, and right through all this gain, I have 63.7 thousand gain. All right, I'm still holding. I'm not selling everything. All right, I still do my dollar cost average as usual. All right, my passive portfolio also give me about 26,000 dividend since day one. Every month I'm collecting 3,000 dividend. All right, so that is my dividend portfolio. All right, I'll continue to top up to this portfolio, okay, because this is one of my retirement portfolio. All right, and HWP actually created this dual portfolio, okay, which we actually briefly touched on last month. All right, it's an evidence-based approach, okay, use evidence-based approach active investment portfolio. Okay, so what we do is we collect all the fund data that you can invest. Okay, equity fund probably fund over fund you can invest. So how to know which is the best funds to invest? Okay, so what we do, we collect all this data, and then we actually create an AI app. Okay, so this is actually powered by AI. Okay, we put in all this data, AI will, and then of course we decide how to determine what is the best fund. We tell the AI. Okay, based on our strategy, we decide. Of course, performance is one thing, but we also look at risk level, right? So we indicate our criteria. Tell the AI. Okay, so AI will screen through all these funds and then give us the best performing fund, not say best fund fit our criteria, and we select this fund and put into our this model portfolio, right? So it's an evidence-based approach, right? And of course, it's professionally managed by our team. Every month, our team have this investment committee. We meet every month, and then we decide whether we should switch the fund, we should balance the portfolio, right? Yeah. So we have two series. One is called Ruby, focus on capital gain. The other is called Sapphire, focus on more on withdrawal. All right. Yeah. So of course you can see Ruby is more potentially to grow. Okay, target 8 to 10%. Right. 70% equity, 30% bonds. Okay. Sapphire, we are looking at more about safe withdrawal, about 4 to 6%. Right, because we are more into bonds. Right. Yeah. So this is more for probably those who are reaching retirement age. You want to have more stable portfolio and allow to cash out every month. Okay. And Ruby is more for those that want to grow your portfolio. Right. Yeah. And we do a track record. Okay, we use historical backtested record. Ruby perform at 13.7% per year. Okay, Sapphire actually give a 8.6% per year. All right, of course, all these are historical performance. We don't say that it will sure perform at this level in the future. All right, it's still investment. If market crash, this one will still give you negative return. Okay, but it's investment for long term. Okay, if you want to find out more, reach out to advisor in HWP. All right, they invited you to this sharing. We will share with you more in detail. This is just a simple sharing. Okay, and we will have a launch. We have a seminar talk about this as well in March. So follow our page. Okay, you'll receive updated events. And this is what I talk about holistic wealth report using AI. Right. So I actually using AI. I use AI to create this tool. Okay, so what we need to do is to plug in some figure, and we can create this nice holistic wealth report for you. Okay, more presentable. Okay, easier for you to do as well. Okay, so reach out to us. Okay, we can do this holistic wealth report for you so that you know what is your current situation, whether you're on track towards a retirement. Okay, yeah. So and also insurance. So there are I think 7 or 8 pages of reports. It's not difficult to generate this. Okay, we just have to go through review. Right, then you can receive these holistic wealth reports from us. All right. And Chinese New Year is coming up. Okay. I just created this app yesterday. Okay. Probably took me like 10 minutes. All right. You can go to hwp.ai, or probably why not I just give you a demo. Okay. Let's go to HWP website. All right. Click HWP in AI. Okay. And these are what I shared about. There are many AI tools for you. Okay. Yeah, loan rate, fee financing, retirement checker, estate planning checker, even have SMP simulator. So just go through all the, I mean, these are all free for you. Okay, and Chinese New Year is coming up. I thought you can do a greeting card. Okay, and it's a global greeting card. So the click is something like this. Okay, you can select whichever country you want to be at. Or you can even click map view. Click from the world map. So I don't know, maybe I want to be in New Zealand. Okay, I can click here. Okay, I'll be in New Zealand, sending you greeting card. Okay, so when I selected, okay, selected, and it should show that I'm in New Zealand. New Zealand. Okay, yeah. Then of course I click continue, and of course to make it more real, you have to upload your profile image. All right. So I have many profile image. I use this one. It can be a formal corporate photo. Okay. Yeah. So once you uploaded, you just click generate greeting. Okay, and that's wait for probably a few seconds. All right. Depending on how complex is your profile picture. You can upload your family photo as well. It may not be just one person. It can be multiple individual. All right. And just click. You should see the image. Like this. So this is me. I'm in at New Zealand. I think this is Milford Sound. Right, it's one of the popular venue in New Zealand. All right, you can click share. Okay, then you can actually copy and paste. All right, copy and paste. Okay, of course, I'm in presentation mode. I can't paste. All right, but you get the idea. You can actually copy and paste. All right, and the app even tell you the kongsi pasai in the country language. Of course, New Zealand is using English, so it's English here. Okay, if you click Cambodia, they will use Cambodia language to say kongsi pasai. And of course, you can copy as well. Okay, and if you don't like this image, you want to change more things, you can customize as well. All right, so maybe you can see that make this person do kung fu move. Can do that, right? Yeah, then it will just regenerate based on what you enter. Right, all are using AI, of course. All right, yeah, they can share, all right, as an app or as a profile picture. Okay, and then this is an example I use to generate in KL, okay, Malaysia. You can see I'm now in Kung Fu Move. Okay, very nice. All right, yeah. So I mean, it's just a fun app, right? And of course, Chinese New Year coming, so I thought you can share this with your friend. Okay, you can use it as a conversation starter during your Chinese New Year with your family member. All right, yeah. And AI is here. All right, yeah. So you can create another. Okay, but of course you can select different kind of venue lah. All right, yeah, different kind of country. Okay, so you don't have to physically there. You will create like a postcard. All right, yeah.